Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Let's quickly cover VeChain, and VeChain is doing its little thing. Now let's quickly see what's going on. You can see with VeChain, I told you that you have to get above this level, and you can see we got rejection there and the price came down. The reason that happened is because of the whole area of resistance, broke this, came down, and then again we got some resistance in this area. So slowly the price is coming down. What you could do, I can see like a little pattern over here. You can just draw this resistance line. You break this, you have just invalidated this whole resistance level. Okay, this can be invalidated if you break this resistance line, because apparently you can see it goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, because you can also bring the EMAs, and you can see the 20 moving average as a lot too. We can blame the 20 moving average is the resistance EMA that is getting rejected from. So that's where you get this resistance line. Okay, but again, nothing to worry, because I already knew in some case that we were gonna just play in this channel, and it is doing that. It is playing in this channel, and the reason that was because we had this crazy bearish head and shoulder pattern. If you can see it, you can see it a little bit better in the daily time frame, but you can see as soon as we made this pattern, we broke towards the downside, and the target level is this, the 0.03269. And I'm not saying it's going to come here, but that's the target for that bearish head and shoulder, and you can see where that area of support is. In the weekly, you can see it's right over here and right over here. Okay, that's the area of support. Now anything can happen because it's cryptocurrency, they just move in very volatile fashion. So if this is the support level, okay, then let's check in the EMAs, I mean the Fibonacci. Let's check in the Fibonacci. Where is that level? Okay, that level, like I told you, it is the 0.618, the golden ratio right over here. So that does make a lot of sense when it comes to technical analysis, that the price is trying to fall back to the support of the golden ratio. Now if you can hold this, if the price comes down, I mean it's not further away, this can be an area of accumulation. Now I don't know to be exact, because if Bitcoin makes a reversal, this area can just go to the trash, right? It's just gonna make a reversal right there. So but this is the area what I feel a lot of people or whales are eyeing this area, because everything is targeting to the 0.618 level, not because of this price target towards the downside, also because the 0.618 level is sitting at right over there. That's where the area of support is sitting. And now what we want to see is if the price comes here, okay, and we can just move this right over here, okay, this support line, and then you can clearly see goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, and then comes down. Okay, that can happen, or if you go to the daily time frame, if it creates something like this, you see what I mean, and then comes to that level. Okay, see, in the long term I'm really bullish on a VeChain, but I have to respect these these targets what they give. Look at this. Okay, maybe it can do something like this, but if Bitcoin makes a reversal again, like I'm telling you, it can take not even minutes. It can break this resistance. Okay, we just have to watch Bitcoin what it does. Okay, now let's just take these lines off really quick. Okay, great. So now let me take this off. So now we know what's going on with this level. Okay, you can watch this 0.618, but I would just assume this resistance line, which is the most important. You break this resistance line, you have just cracked this whole damn pattern, okay? Then you're gonna make new patterns, okay? And that's what you want to see, exactly like over here, okay? Like I'll just give you an example. You cracked this resistance level, okay, which is this resistance level, okay? This is what you should look forward to. And like, see, the price was doing something like this, okay? You can draw this support level. As soon as it cracked this resistance, went to the upside, look, the price went towards the upside because the downtrend was over, okay? Downtrend was over, it broke this resistance line. So this is what this resistance line is at the moment, okay? You crack this, you will start making the upwards movement, okay? Exactly like this. I don't know how high it will go, but that's the reversal pattern it will make, because apparently you can see right over here, okay, this is the resistance area, okay? The reason I say that is because you can see right over here, this was the resistance area, so is that, okay? Now if you take a look at both the patterns, okay, went down, came up, then it went down, came up, okay, and then it also did something like this, okay? So this. Now if you look at this pattern, came down from its all-time high, went up, coming down. So whenever you crack this resistance, wherever that bottom is, could be the 0.618, could be just this support line. When it cracks, it will come up, hit this level, then maybe come down to this level, okay, or this level. It's creating a bullish inverse head and shoulder pattern. So things can work out in this manner as well, okay, because you can see with this pattern over here, let me just take this off. Okay, with this pattern over here, it created, came down, went up, okay, came down, went up, came down, went up, came down, went up. That's where you got the support from, okay? So left shoulder, right shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, okay? So, and it had a technical target. Even if I say this was, it's an imperfect head and shoulder pattern, but it had a technical target, and it cracked over here. So you see it came very close to that target. So same way over here, you know, it's trying to create something for the long term. If the cryptocurrency market stays bullish, and it doesn't, you know, apparently they talk about this bear market, it can happen. But if it doesn't go in a bear market, and I feel that you know, it's not the time yet, because of the war, things can change and it can take a positive effect for the market of cryptocurrency, what I feel. Then things can suddenly take a reversal. But if you see um, VeChain break this level, okay, which I feel this resistance line, then yeah, things are looking bad for VeChain, and things can start looking ugly, okay? Because you can take this line and bring it right over here, okay? Right over here, and you can see the reason we can also bring it over there, because you can see exactly this was also a area of support and resistance at some point, okay? And you can see VeChain did come and break it, and this is where the resistance is also coming from. But again, the main support level for this line is right over here. It's right over here, okay? Right over there. Yeah, right over there. So yeah, I mean, just keep an eye on that. And I feel at the moment in the hourly, if you take a look at the, you know, we do have volume coming in. That's a good thing. In the even in the daily time frame, we do have a bullish divergence that's coming in. Okay, look at that. That's a bullish divergence, okay? And the price is coming towards the downside. Okay, price is coming towards the downside. So, I mean, this can be that indication where we might break this resistance, and start going towards the upside. Okay, and you can also see somewhat of a double bottom is being formed. Okay, so this is also a good thing, maybe a ascending triangle formation. So keep an eye on this. We just need to get above this 0.05612 level. We do have the bullish divergence coming in the daily time frame. So if that happens, then yeah, we have just reversed and broken this 20 moving average. Okay, that's the first step. Okay, but again guys, if you like this kind of content, sorry, my mic just went out. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, give me those likes because the likes are telling me you want more. You want more of these VeChain videos, and I will keep making them for you guys. Okay, so hit that like button for the confirmation, and thank you for watching the video. Have a good day. Bye bye.